Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the PS2 port, loosen the screw securing the side cover and slide the cover off the system to remove it. Identify the PS2 module optional input-output module. Disconnect the cable from the connector. Loosen the 2 screws. Disconnect the PS2 module from the connector. Lift the PS2 module out of the system. To reinstall the PS2 port, connect the PS2 module to the connector and secure it with the 2 screws. Reconnect the cable. Place the side cover on the chassis by aligning the tabs on the side cover with the slots on the chassis. Slide the side cover towards the rear of the computer. Tighten the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.